Good afternoon. This is John Serrata again, and this is my weekly screencast. This week we'll be talking about the integration of culturally relevant teaching. So what is culturally relevant teaching? CRT is an approach to instruction founded on the belief in equity education that responds to the social-cultural context of students and seeks to integrate their cultural and social capital. So who's a few of the developers? We have Vygotsky, Lee, Steiner, Rogoff, and Cole, and each one of them brought their own flair and insight into developing a very culturally relevant curriculum, instruction, and format for education. So just a few of the attributes. Teaching that affirms the linguistic, cultural, and racial backgrounds of all students, with the major goal, of course, of being achievement and understanding of the content taught and the relevance to their own lives. It takes into consideration the cognitive learning theory, utilization of social interactions to learn with and from others. It uses project models such as cultural modeling, which is cultural content plus learning strategies. And it focuses on social justice and education, met by creating an education system that is equitable for all students. So here's just a few ways that it's implemented shortly. Chunking, breaking up material into smaller bits, slow and not overwhelming. Providing a variety of family, ethnic, and cultural examples in classroom demonstrations when discussing new material. Research cultural norms and differences. Learning differs within various cultural contexts. Cultural models, culturally relevant elements. Scaffolding can also be used for building cognitive understanding and application process in programs that involve family, aka the funds of knowledge. A few of the takeaways: teach the whole student, including their families. Take everything into consideration. CRT can be used across all content areas. CRT is collaborative, student-focused, and culturally mindful. CRT is an amazing way to teach diverse learners and create acceptance and understanding with its practices. Thank you.